how to change language in Battle Prime. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, simply tap on Settings. So now, we in this Settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and customize it. Here on the top, you must swipe right in order to find this other option. Tap on Other. So here, there's a section of Language. Simply tap on Language, and here you can find some limited language that you can change into. So here, simply select the one that you want to change, and at last tap on Apply. Now it will take some time. Now even the app will get restarted. Now all the interface and the language is completely changed to the one that you have just selected, and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you